Welcome to the Knowledge Point ITVers. Today I am going to demonstrate and teach you about how to write the while loop code under the Java programming. In our previous video, I think you have learned a lot about the for loop and how to use the syntax of for loop, and you can only create your code using the for loop. Actually, the for loop and while loop both are same. There are few difference between both. So both are used to easy our code to reduce more lines and more lines to write again and again. So this will reduce our working time, and this loop will reduce the code lines. So actually it's the best thing, as like the for loop it is easy also the while loop. Let's we go to the topic. First I'll show how going to the while loop going in the flow using the flow chart. Let me take an example. If the school children going to school in a 5 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. He or she will go to school in 5 days. So let me take the condition if the child going to school in a 5 days. That is the condition. Let me check this condition. If the condition will true when this child go to school for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, which means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So if the child go to school continuously from the first day to 5th day, the condition will be true from the first to 5th. So the code will execute and print the days from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. So this will happen upon the file. The loop will terminate when the condition break after the number the 5. After we are putting any of the number more than the 5, the loop will terminate, and until we'll get the output, until we will get the output 1 to 5. That is the manner of how the flow chart of while loop. Let me take an example how to write the syntax. Before starting the coding, we need to consider the syntax, how to use the syntax in while loop. Actually both syntax are same, but the manner, that is the arrangement manner. First, what should we need to represent, that is the thing differ from the for loop and while loop. Let me take from, we need to put the name, we are going to write the code and syntax for the while loop. So we need to put the syntax, that is while. Under the while, we need to provide the condition. Let me take, we need to count the number 1 to 5. So the condition is we need to check 1 to 5. So the condition, under this condition, we need to put number less than or 5. So that is the condition, because we need to check from 1 to 5. So upon this condition, we are taking the number less than 5. Here, the curly bracket represents the while loop body. Under this body, we need to represent the printing statement and the updation, which means we are getting the value from the number using the initiation of the variable. Then the value need to be incremented or decremented. That should be under the updation. This will progress after the printing the variable. Let us demonstrate this in the Eclipse IDE, as like the previous video which I conducted using for a for loop. Actually, as I mentioned, the loop will be continued if only the loop is condition is true. The loop will exit or terminated when the condition has been failed. So that is the manner of the while loop. Let us do the demonstration using the Eclipse IDE. So I'm going to go to the Eclipse IDE. I have already created the project basic programming. Under this basic program, I have already created the package basic programming .1. Just I click on the package and right click on the package, and I am going to select the new and select the class. Here I'm going to put any name for my class. I'll put while loop because I have already have the while loop. That's why additionally I put the E. I need the main method to execute the code. That's why I tick this checkbox and just I click the finish button. Here I'm getting this. Under this main method, here I'm going to print the number from 1 to 10 that I'm going to display. So I need to declare the number first. So I need the data type. I need to print the number. So the data type should be an integer. It should be a. So I put int. Then I need to create a variable. The variable name is number. You can provide any of the name as per your wish. And I need to print the 1 to 10. That's why I initiate the number from 1. Here I initiate the variable. Then I need to provide the condition. I am using the while loop, so I just type while. Upon this C brackets, I need to put the condition. Here I need to represent the number from 1 to 10. So I need to check whether the number is less than or equal 10. Then only I can get the number and print the number from 1 to 10. Then inside of this while loop body, I need to print the number. So I am using the sysout. Under the sysout, I need to print the number. Here I need the another part, that is the updation, or the which means the incrementation. The number starting number is 1. So the number should be incremented in after each condition checking. Then only we will get the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I am just creating the statement, that is number equal number plus 1. Then only I can increment the number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to 10. I'll explain briefly. I'm taking the starting point, the number is number 1. Then I'm checking upon the condition. Here the number is 1. I'm checking whether the number less than or equal to 10, which is correct. So the while loop will execute for the condition when the statement is true. So then the system will print the output. The number is 1. The system will print the number 1. Then the number will be increment plus 1, because here the number will stored into number 2, because here the number is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then here the number is 2. Then under the condition, while loop condition, number will be checked. Number 2 less than or equal to 10. This will also true. Then print the number. Here the number 2 will also printed out upon the display. Then the number will be added 2 plus 1, 3. Then again the number is 3. Then check upon the condition 3 less than or equal to 10. Here the condition is true. Then number 3 will be also printed out. So as like this manner, we will get the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here, can you please assume that the number is 10 here. Then check the 10 equal 10. This will also true. Then print the 10. Then the number will add by 1. 10 plus 1, 11. Here then again check the condition 11 less than or equal 10. This is the breaking point, because this is not true, which means this is false. So the loop will be terminated. Only we will get the output from 1 to 10. We will get the number from 1 to 10. I'll show the demonstration that I run the code and show to you. Here you can observe 1 to 10 we are getting. If you want to print the value from 1 to 9, you can remove the equal sign. Then you will get the printing number from 1 to 9. Here you can observe, because equal, which means that is the breaking point. If you are removing the 10, here let will take the number is 9, then check number less than or equal 10. This is true. Then print the number 9, then number will be incremented plus 1, number 9 plus 1 equal number 10. Then let me check under the condition 10 less than 10, which is false. So the loop will be terminated and the 10 should not be printed out upon the console. That is the matter. If you want to print the number equal to 100, but I'll put 100. Now I'm going to execute the code again. Here you can observe we will get the number from 1 to 10. In this manner you can use the while loop and get the values as per your consideration. Let us meet in another video by teaching the do while loop. Already we have learned the for loop and while loop, so you will get the loop concept clearly. I hope you will understand more than about the loop concept in the basic programming video. So our channel would be a great platform. You will find much about the basic programming and the educational related things that we meet in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.